Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Crash on your iPhone. If you're trying to play a game with Roblox and your Roblox application keeps crashing on its own, then here are some fixes you could try out. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix Roblox application crashing on your iPhone, the first thing to do is to make sure that you have the updated version of Roblox app. If you're using an outdated version, it might lead the application to low performance and it might keep crashing. Simply open up your App Store if you're doing this on iPhone. If you're doing this on your Android, open up your Play Store. In the search box, search for Roblox. Once you perform your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed. If you see an update button, it means your application must be updated right away in order to use the application with bug fixes and performance improvement. Once you update the app, tap on Open. Now, go ahead and play a game and see if that fixes your Roblox crashing issue. If that still doesn't work, next thing to do is to force close the application. Simply close off your Roblox app if it is running on the background and simply reboot your device. Press and hold the power key and try to slide your iPhone towards the right hand side of the screen and make sure to slide the power off button and reboot your device. Once your device has been rebooted, open up your Roblox app and check if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try whenever your Roblox application keeps crashing on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.